When it's time for health and fitness, it's time for a SereneLife treadmill. It's the perfect solution for a wellness routine right in the comfort and safety of your own home. Roll out the upright folding track, nudge the support latch, and watch as the deck safely and slowly lowers itself to the ground. Hop on, place your water in the convenient bottle holders, and set up your favorite tunes with the supplied audio cord, your phone's USB cable, or even a preloaded SD card. Attach the safety cutoff leash and get to it. You can set your pace or choose from a variety of pre-programmed workouts designed to challenge and build your fitness. Check your heart rate to stay in the perfect zone for your goals. The textured belt provides just the right amount of traction. Whether running or walking, handrails are there for your support and are equipped with pulse sensors and quick controls, making it easy to adjust your pace on the go. Revitalized and rejuvenated, simply lift the deck, stow it away, and get on with your serene life.
Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame. This treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.